Welcome, my friends. It's me, Retired Shenanigans. Welcome or welcome back. I had um seasoned some chicken and stuff already that I'm gonna put in the crock pot. I just wanted to show y'all how it looks. It been marinating here for about a day, so I'm gonna put it in a crock pot now. It's just some random pieces. I'm gonna stew it and make some rice and give it to the people at the senior center. But I want to say welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching. If you are a retired person, let's get retired and stay healthy. If you're a returning person, come on, I welcome you back. So let's get to putting this chicken in the crock pot and putting it to cook. In the crock pot, I'm gonna put some peppers and onions in it. I'm gonna put some peppers and onions in it. I'm gonna put, once it cooked down some, I'm gonna put a gravy packet. You think that's too much for the crock pot? I don't think so, because it's gonna cook down. It's gonna cook down and cook up. Let's put that in there. That's where all the seasonings is. So I'm gonna let it cook for a couple hours on high, and when it's all done, I'll show you what it looks like. This is the outcome of the chicken that I was cooking in the crock pot. I'm making some rice to go with it, some diabetic rice. You can see that bag over there. So I'm gonna make some diabetic rice, and I'm gonna take it to my seniors so they can have some lunch today. I'll come back at you when it's all ready.